New York Spanky fans, the Yankees drop another game, this time versus a subpar team, the Chicago White Sox, 5-1. So many runners were left on base. The Yankees had plenty of opportunities to open the floodgates. And Aaron Boone, he continues to be a comedian. Let's talk about it. What are we going to do with this guy, folks? This satanic Cabbage Patch doll looking fool that is the manager of the New York Yankees. The only entertainment that he brings is when he gets thrown out. Let's take a good look at this face. Ladies and gentlemen, that is the manager of the New York Yankees. Kind of looks like that dinosaur character. I forgot from what TV show. So, Yankees fans, we have a manager that looks constipated, that comes and argues with the umpire when it's too late. Last Diaz had a strike zone out of this world. But you can make the argument that it was going both ways. No, the Yankees always find an excuse of why they can't win. We all know the reason why. Aaron Boone. And he comes out and argues with the umpire with that ball. That one was literally a strike. So he finally comes out, does his best young jock rendition of it's going down. That dance move. Again, does that. I don't want to get demonetized. I will use more hostile words against Boone, but we'll keep it PG-13. So, the reason why managers do that, we all know why. They want to give a jolt to their team. But was it the 8th inning by then? Now you want to come out? Now you want to make things entertaining? Because that's what Aaron Boone, that's what his worth is. Look at this. Look at this guy. Looks constipated. I don't know what to say, guys. Hal Steinbrenner gambled on his team. If you ask me, third wild card spot, not hard to get to, so the Yankees still have a chance. But let's be realistic. This team is not a team. This team is not a team, again, because this guy has always been a losing player. People bring up, oh my God, but he's reached the playoffs so many times with the Yankees. No, he inherited a core of guys from Joe Girardi. And you have seen the Yankees fall, way far from what respectable players look like and what having respect for a manager look like. Because you see, when you're John Carlos Stanton and you don't hustle home and there's no repercussions for that, that's not on the player first. That's on the manager first. players perform as their managers manage. And this is the same guy that said he was bullied by an umpire. He's singing Rihanna songs. He is the TikTok manager of the Yankees. The TikTok era manager of the Yankees. Plain and simple. This is not even a rant anymore. This is just me getting on because I found this picture to be, if you think about Aaron Boone, this is what should pop up first. Let's zoom in there. Looking like he swallowed a bag of marbles. Wow. Well, Yankees fans, what do you guys think? What do you guys think about that? Do you like it when Aaron Boone comes out and argues with the umpire? I think he has set a record of how many times he has been ejected, by the way. It's been a lot. Do you like it? Did you like how late he came out? Does he just do it just to do it? Like, he knows he's in deep shit. His team is tanking or whatever, and he just wants to, get that in there. Because I'm confused at this point. I really don't know why he's the manager. And if I'm other teams, I'm looking at hiring Dillon Lawson, because we could all see by now that he wasn't really responsible for the Yankees' performance. This is just a team that is just not want to play for Aaron Boone. Period. There's so many things I could say, but the only thing I can repeat over and over is that as long as Aaron Boone is your manager, the Yankees are not winning a World Series. Don't give me that crap about, they have reached the playoffs. They have a winning record since 19-something. Don't give me that. Become another fan of another team. Yankees fans are Yankees fans because this is a team, a prestige team that carries themselves with history, etc., etc. They're the team that is expected to win, and fans are their fans because we know that at least with George Steinbrenner, winning a World Series was their number one priority. But with this owner, it's obviously not the case. And it's sad. So Yankees fans, that's your manager. Looking like he has stage 4 diarrhea. And that just sums up the Yankee season. So Yankees fans, like always, this has been Felix from NYYNEWS.com. Share, like, subscribe, and I will check you out next time.